Welcome to qnawire.
This question is about a planetary gear system inside an automatic transmission of an automobile. We are going to look at this case whereby the ring gear has zero angular velocity, and then the sun gear is rotating at 5 radians per second. We need to determine the angular velocity of the planet gears P and shaft A. So shaft A is something that connects the planetary gear. Okay, that this is a shaft A. Okay, so first we recognize a few things. So this point, which I'm going to call that point B. Okay, this is at rest because the ring is not moving. Okay, so and then this point, I'm calling it point C. We can determine the velocity of point C using the rotation of gear, the sun gear. So VC, okay, is going to be 5 radians per second times 0.08 meters, which is the radius of the sun gear, and then this is equal to 0.4, and then it's pointing in the minus I direction. Okay, so it's pointing this way because of the rotation. Meters per second, and then we know that VB is 0. Okay, because the ring gear is at rest. Then we can find the omega of P. So because B and C lie on the planetary gear, okay, so we can say VB equals to VC plus omega P cross R B relative to C. Okay, and then so VB is 0, VC is minus 0.4 I plus omega P, assume positive, and cross RBC is from C going up, and we know that the planetary gear has a radius of 40 mm, so RBC would just be 0.08 J. Okay, so this gives minus 0.4 I minus 0.08 omega P I. Okay, so this means that omega P is equal to minus 0.4 divided by 0.08, and then this is minus 5 radians per second. Okay, this means that P is turning clockwise. Okay, and then so to determine the angular velocity of the shaft A, we need the velocity of this point. Okay, of this point. Okay, point D. So just now we found that omega P is going clockwise. So this is omega P. Okay, so we can actually find VD using the same relative velocity equation. So VD is equal to VC, okay, or VB is better because VB is 0. Okay, VB plus omega P cross R D relative to B. Okay, so this is 0 plus minus 5K cross, so from the diagram, D is below B. Okay, so this is minus 0.04 J. Okay, and then this gives minus 0.2 I. Okay, and then omega A will just be Vd divided by Ra. Okay, and then this is equal to 0.2 divided by 0.12. This is equal to 1.67 radians per second. Okay, so this is the answer for omega A. And then this is the answer for omega P. Okay, and that's all for this question.